Good morning children, I hope class 6 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have started integers, yesterday already we had seen what are integers and many questions we had solved. Today we are going to start exercise 4a. I hope many of you must have done also. So, let us see together and try to learn. Here you have exercise 4a. First question you have, write the opposite of each of the following. An increase of 8. An increase of 8, just you see, increase of 8 you need to write opposite of this. So, what can be written? Opposite of an increase of 8 will be a decrease of 8 we can write. Next you see a loss of 7. A loss of 7, if someone is having loss, opposite of loss is what? Profit or gain. So, you can write a profit of rupees 7 or a gain of rupees 7. Both are correct. Then you have gaining a weight of 5 kg. Just opposite of this you need to write down. Opposite of this is what? Gaining, losing. You will write losing a weight of 5 kg. Then you have 10 kilometer above sea level. So, here you will write below sea level. 10 kilometer below sea level. Then you have 5 degrees centigrade below the freezing point. Here you will write above the freezing point. A deposit of rupees 100. Deposit, opposite of deposit is what? Withdrawal. Withdrawal of rupees 100. Earning rupees 500. You are earning over here. Opposite of this is what? Spending. Spending of rupees 500. Going 6 meter to the east. Opposite of east is what? West. So, you will write going 6 meter to the west. Opposite of 24 will be minus 24. Opposite of minus 34 will be 34. In this way you need to write in proper way. In notebook it should be written. Next you see question number 2, you have indicate the following using plus or minus sign. How we will solve this? A gain of rupees 600. Gain means what? You are having profit. So, this will be plus rupees 600. A loss of rupees 800, you are having loss. So, minus rupees 800. 7 degrees Celsius below the freezing point. Below, if it is there, it will go in minus 7 degree Celsius. Decrease of 9, it will be minus 9. 2 kilometer above sea level, so plus 2 kilometer. 3 kilometer below sea level, it will be minus 3 kilometer. A deposit of rupees 200, if you are depositing your money, it means your money is increasing. So, this will be plus rupees 200, and if withdrawal will be there, it will be negative. A withdrawal of rupees 300, so minus rupees 300. In this way, this is required to be written. Next you see, mark the following integers on a number line. On number line it is required to be drawn. So, one question you see and rest of the question you will try to do by yourself. Suppose you have few questions you take. Suppose these 2 questions you take. What we need to do? We need to draw a number line first. So, draw a number line in this way. Then you need to mark somewhere, middle point you take and there you write 0, and right side positive integer you will have, left side negative integer you will be having. So, suppose equal distance you mark like this side also in this way, and here you see you need to show -5. So, here positive numbers you will have, here you will have negative numbers. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose this is 5. So, this is -5. So, you can write any name can be given over here. Suppose this is O and this is A dash. So, here you can write O A dash is equal to -5, like this it is required to be shown. Second, you have 7. How we will do? Same thing is required to be done. Number line is required to be drawn. Just you draw number line. You need to mark middle point and positive 7 you have. So, this side your number will be. So, here it starts with 0, any name you give O, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So, your 7 will be over here. So, suppose this is A. So, your OA will be 7. So, in this way this is required to be drawn and should be shown. So, in the same way these numbers are required to be shown on number line. Next, you have which number is larger in each of the following pairs. Here you see in 0 and -2 which number is greater. So, as if you remember it was told, if suppose if you have number line and this is 0. So, if right side of any number is there, if two numbers have been given, and just you imagine in on number line where their places will be. If two numbers you have 0 and -2. So, right side whichever number you will be having, that will be greater than the number which are in left. So, here you see -1 and -2. So, 0 and -2 you have, which one will be greater? 0 will be greater because 0 is on right side to the number -2. So, you will write 0 is greater than -2. -3 and -5, again you see -5 will be -3, -4, -5, left side it will be. -3 will be right to -5, yes, -3 will be right to -5, and that is why -3 will be greater than -5. -5 and 2 will be greater than -5. Then you see -16 and 8, if one positive and one negative number is there, simply positive number will be greater than the negative number. So, 8 will be greater than -16. Here you see if sign in both the numbers, suppose same sign is there minus, the greater number will be having less value. It means -365 will be greater than -913. Here 8 will be greater than -888. Next, you see which number is smaller in each of the following pairs. In the same way, this is required to be done. So, -7 is smaller than 6, -1 is smaller than 0, -27 is smaller than -13, -26 is smaller than 17. Here you see greater number -603 is lesser than -317. If number is greater, but if negative sign is there, value will be less. -777 is lesser than 7. Next, you see write all integers between 0 and 6. In between 0 and 6, which integers you will be having? 0 and 6, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These integers you will have. Minus 5 and 0, you have minus 5 and 0. Which integers you will have? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. These integers you will have. So, in the same way you need to find out minus 3 and 3. You have minus 3 and 3. In between you will have minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Minus 7 and minus 5. Minus 7 and minus 5. You will have minus 6. Then you see question number 7. Fill in the blanks by appropriate symbol, that is greater than or smaller than. I hope you understood, you will be able to do. Just you see 0 and 7, which one is greater? 7 is greater. 0 and minus 3, 0 is greater. Minus 5 and minus 2, minus 5 is lesser than minus 2. Minus 15 and 13, 13 is greater than minus 15, or you can say minus 15 is lesser than 13. Here minus 231 is lesser than minus 132. Here minus 6 is lesser than 6. Write the following integers in the increasing order. So, here what you need to do? You need to recognize the smallest one. So, smallest number you have, just you see negative first. So, in negative, if higher value, higher number is there, it means 7 and sign is negative, then that will be the smallest number. So, minus 7, then you will have minus 2, then you will have 0, then you have 5 and then you will have 8. So, minus 7, minus 2, 0, 5, 8 will be in increasing order. Smallest number you will have minus 7, greatest number 8. So, in the same way these questions are required to be solved. I hope you will be able to do, and you must do. Next question you see. Write the following integers in the decreasing order. Just opposite to that, in decreasing order you need to write down. So, first you see positive numbers. In positive, which one is greater? You have 36 is greater. Then you have after 36 positive number you have 7. Then you have 0. Then you have minus 9. And then you have minus 1, 3, 2. So, the greatest number is 36, the smallest number you have minus 100. Here you see the greatest number you have 36, after this you have 7, then you have 0 and then you have minus 3 and then you have minus 9 and then you have minus 132. So, the greatest number is 36 and smallest number is minus 132. So, in the same way other questions are required to be solved. Next question you see, using the number line write the integer which is 4 more than 6. So, how we will draw? A number line is required to be drawn like this. 4 more than 6 you need to write down. Suppose this is 0. And this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, here you see 4 more than 6. First you go on 6. 4 more than this. 4 more than means 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, your answer will be 10. So, 4 more than 6 will be 10, but in this way number line is required to be drawn and this is required to be shown. Next you see 5 more than minus 6, again the same thing is required to be done, number line is required to be drawn. Here you see, suppose this is 0, 1, 2, here you have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. So, here you see 1, 2, here mark will be required to be given. 5 more than -6, you come on -6, and then 5 more. If it is more, you will move to rightward. If it is less, then you will move to leftward. If more is there, we will move rightward 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, your answer will be -1. 5 more than -6 will be -1. Next, 6 less than 2. So, again, if suppose this is your number line, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you see 6 less than 2. 6 less than 2, if you will draw, this side we need to move. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Here you see 6 less than 2, go on 2 first, and 6 less means you need to come leftward 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, your answer will be -4. So, in this way this is required to be done. 2 less than -3, 2 less than -3, just you see, suppose this is 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, 1, 2, 3. Here you see 2 less than -3, -3 you have. If you are moving leftward 2 times, 1 and 2, your answer will be -5. So, in this way number line is required to be drawn, and then you need to see. Next question you see, for each of the following statements write T for true and F for false. The smallest integer is 0. If you know what is integer, integer is positive counting number, 0 and negative counting number. So, smallest number cannot be 0, 0 is the smallest number of whole number, this is not of integer. So, this is false. 0 is not an integer, again this is false, because this 0 is also an integer. The opposite of 0 is 0, that is true. -10 is greater than -6, just you see, -10 is greater than -6, this is false, because -6 is greater than -10. The absolute value of an integer is always greater than the integer, this is again false. 0 is larger than every negative integer, 0 is larger than every integer, every negative integer, that is true. Every negative integer is less than every natural number, natural number means positive counting number, so that is true. The successor of -187 is -188. Successor means what? We add 1 on that. So, if you are adding 1 on this, it will become, if you are adding 1 on this, it will become -186, not -188. This is not the successor, this is the predecessor. So, this will be false. The predecessor of -215 is -214. The predecessor means you need to subtract from here. If you are -215 and you are subtracting 1 from this, it means you need to, you will get what? -116. So, this is again false, and this is the successor of this number. Find the value of -9. This is so easy. Absolute value of this will be 9. Absolute value of -36 will be 36. This will be 0. This will be 15. this will be, here you have minus and that is why this will be minus 3. Here you have 7 plus 3, it means 10. Here you will have 7 minus 4 and that is 3. 8 minus minus 7, so here you see this will become 7. So, 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Next you see, write 5 negative integers greater than minus 7. Here you see, on number line also you can see this. Here you have suppose minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in this way. Suppose you need to write down 5 negative integers greater than minus 7. Greater than means you need to move rightward. So, 5 negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, these numbers you will have minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3 and minus 2. So, your answer will be minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3 and minus 2. Write 5 negative integers less than minus 20. Less than minus 20 will be minus 21, minus 22, minus 23, minus 24 and minus 25. These all will be lesser than minus 20. So, in this way this exercise has been over, and I hope few questions were left that you need to do, you must complete, and each and every question must be there in your notebook. And next day we will start operations on integers. Until then,